So this is Chef Morris in the kitchen, and right now what I'm doing is I'm baking the ultimate banana bread. So I'm just gonna let you guys know everything that I have here. So I just go through all the ingredients and let you guys see what's going on. Okay, so right here I'll start with this ramekin that I have here. So in this ramekin right now I have 2 tablespoons of molasses and also 2 tablespoons of barley malt. Okay, and in this measuring cup right here, if you can see in the measuring cup, so that's 1 cup of oil in that measuring cup. And if you can see here, right in this little saucer right here, I have a stick of butter that's at room temperature, so that will go into the mixture as well. And if you can see right here as well, I have some sugar in this container right there, and that's 1 cup of granulated sugar and also another cup of brown sugar. Okay, and over here in this ramekin right here, there is 3 tablespoons of applesauce, and that will be a part of the mixture for my ultimate banana bread. So just keep on going, you know. All right, so I'm just gonna show you guys here in this other ramekin right now. I have, if you can see my finger there pointing, so that's ground cinnamon, and that's 1 teaspoon. And also right there in the corner you can see here, that's allspice, and that is half of a teaspoon. And over here you can see that as well, so that's half of a teaspoon of grated nutmeg. Okay, and I have also here this white looking thing there. It's not granulated sugar, it's actual salt. So I have there um, 1 teaspoon and a quarter of salt, and there's some baking soda and baking powder. So for the baking powder, that's 1 teaspoon, and for the baking powder, that's a quarter of a teaspoon. Okay, and as I go along, I'll just show you guys there. I have 3 eggs, and those will be beaten and added to the mixture. Okay, and if you can see in this bowl, I have 2 and 2/3 cups of flour. And if you're wondering what's this, 1/4 cup of Oreo crumb. If you can see, that's chopped pecans, so those will be also a part of my ultimate banana loaf. And in this one here, if you guys can see also, that's walnuts. Okay, so that walnut will be a part of my banana loaf as well. So everything is there, and if you guys can take a quick look up here as I take this up, so my bananas, you can see they're nicely ripened, and those bananas will be um, in that banana loaf. So it's 4 bananas that will be a part of the mixture. Okay, so with that said, guys, I'll just take you over here to my stove and I'll show you. So right now I'm preheating my oven. It's on 355, but I'll just bring it down to 350 because that's where I'm gonna bake them. So it will be 350 degrees Fahrenheit for the baking temperature. Okay, and also I should let you guys know, so the banana loaves, they will be in the oven for at least 60 minutes, so 1 hour, or until they're nicely browned on the top, or until you stick it down in the center of the loaf and it come out back dry. Okay, that's good. So all that is done. So I'll just go back here, and I'll just start on combining all my ingredients. So I'll just pause a bit while I do all of that, because I can't operate the camera while I'm doing that. So okay, just bear with me, and then when I come back I'll show you guys what the end product looks like. I mean, what the mixture when it combined look like. Okay, thank you. All right, my beautiful people, thanks for sticking around. So right now I'm just gonna cream the butter and the sugar together in this mixing bowl. I'll just give you guys a close up as I do that. I'm just gonna combine everything together until the butter and the sugar, they're all blended together. Okay. Camera while I'm trying to do that, so it's a bit of a tedious task. Let's see if I can do this. I want you guys to see what's going on, so let me see if I can find a way to get this camera to balance on its own. Okay, just bear with me here. Put it in. I'm trying, but it's a little bit hard for me to operate the camera and do this at the same time. I'm wondering if I should just pause the video and just combine everything and then come back and let you guys see what's going on. Alright, so well, the initial, the most important thing right now that I need to get done is to make sure that I, combine the sugar and the butter, cream them together, and after that, then I'll beat the eggs. So I'll beat the eggs, and after I finish beating the eggs, then I'll add those eggs to that sugar and butter that I grew along with the cooking oil. Okay, and after I complete that, then I'll just come back and let you guys see how it looks. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, my beautiful people, welcome back. Sorry I wasn't able to complete all the steps so you guys could see while I do it, because I was unable to hold the camera and do all the tasks at the same time. So sorry I had to skip out some of the steps, so you guys didn't see exactly what was going on while I was doing it, but I'll just recap and let you guys know what I did so far. So in this bowl here, I have the sugar, the butter and the egg combined, and the applesauce. So what I did, I creamed the butter and the egg, the butter and the sugar together, and then I beat the egg and had it in there. Also, I just had the applesauce, and then I just mix everything and combine them together. And also over here, what I did, I just crushed those bananas, and what I used to do that is this instrument here that you would normally use when you're doing mashed potato. Okay, so all of that is completed, and what I have left to do right now is just to add everything into the dry ingredients over there, to the flour and the olive that I have there. And all these spices. So yeah, those shredded peels from the lemon zest, okay, and the salt, the allspice, the nutmeg, the ground cinnamon powder, the baking soda and baking powder. So I'll just go ahead and just throw all of that out in my mixing bowl. Yeah? There's still a little bit of ramekin, but I'll just shake that out. It seems good enough for me. So I'll just put that aside. Yeah, I'll just clear everything that I don't need right now. I'll just put them aside, and if I need them I'll get them later. Okay, so here I have some little baking dish here that I'm gonna use. So these are what I'm gonna put my banana loaf in. I'll grease them so that they won't stick when I'm ready to remove them from there, right? Okay, so I'll just put that back there, and I'll go ahead and start the process. So first what I'll do, I'll just add this mixture right in there with the bananas. Okay, you see that sugar, so sticky and flavorful right now. Oh man, if you could smell that. I can tell you right now, with the rose water, the vanilla, the almond extract, the coconut extract that I have in there, and all the other spice like the um, cinnamon powder, the nutmeg, the allspice. Oh my gosh, it smells like heaven in here right now. Yeah, and not to mention the molasses and the barley malt that I have in there. Everything combined right now. It's not yet baked, but man, I tell you, you don't want to miss out on this. You have to try this recipe for yourself in order to get a full understanding of what I'm talking about when I tell you it smells delicious, and I can assure you that it's gonna taste just as it smells right now. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to add this wet ingredients into that dry ingredients. Okay, but I'll just grab myself here a spatula so I can just fold everything in. Yeah, I won't mix it too much because I don't want it to over mix, so I'll just lightly fold in the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. So I'll just get that done, and then I'll come back and you guys will see everything. Okay, there we go. So the folding process began. So let me give you guys a close-up on that as I get that going. Okay, so it's just simple. All I'm doing is just like I'm stirring, but I'm folding, you know, everything at the bottom. I'm trying to get to the top, not mixing, but folding. Okay, you don't want to mix, you just want to fold it, so everything combined. Okay, so let me do that. So you can see I have a mixer there, but I didn't want to do it in the mixer. I just want to do it by hand. So that's what I'm doing here, because I don't want to mix. I just want to fold in the wet ingredients in the dry. Okay, so that's coming on pretty good right there. Looks, oh my gosh, that looks so delicious right now. I feel like I could just eat some right now, and it's not yet ready. it would.